What if I told you that this simple black rock changed the course of human history more than any other natural resource? That's right, coal, the dark diamond of the earth, is single-handedly responsible for lifting billions of people out of poverty and transforming our world from agrarian subsistence to industrial prosperity. This is big industry, and this is the rock that built the Industrial Revolution. In this video, we're diving deep into how coal power transformed society and enabled unprecedented human progress. Before coal became king, human civilization was trapped by its energy limits. For thousands of years, we relied on four main power sources: human muscle, animal strength, wind, and water. These energy sources had serious limitations. Human and animal power was inefficient and exhausting. Wind power was unreliable. No wind, no power. Water power meant you had to build your factory next to flowing water, limiting where industry could develop. The result? For millennia, most people lived in grinding poverty. Life expectancy hovered around 35 years. Famines were common. Economic growth was nearly flat. Then everything changed. In the early 1700s in Britain, something revolutionary happened. As timber became scarce, people turned to coal for heating. But coal mines had a problem. They would flood with groundwater. The solution? The steam engine, initially created just to pump water out of coal mines. This was the beginning of a powerful cycle. Coal powered the machines that extracted more coal, which powered more machines. For the first time in history, humans found an energy source that was abundant, energy-dense, transportable, and available on demand. The genius of coal is simple. It's essentially millions of years of stored solar energy compressed into a convenient, energy-rich package. Coal didn't just power a few factories, it triggered a complete transformation of society. The steam engine could be put anywhere, not just beside rivers. This meant industries could grow where they made the most economic sense. Coal-powered steam engines revolutionized textile production, with mechanical looms replacing hand weaving, iron and steel manufacturing, allowing for stronger building materials. Transportation with railways connecting distant regions. Shipping, with steamships crossing oceans regardless of wind. Mining, allowing access to more resources than ever before. Before coal, it took weeks to travel between cities. After coal-powered locomotives, the same journey took hours. Information, goods, and people could move at unprecedented speeds. The impact of coal on human living standards is undeniable. Let's look at the numbers. Before widespread coal use, global GDP per capita had barely changed for 1,000 years. After coal-powered industrialization, economic output increased by over 50 times. Population grew from under 1 billion to over 7 billion. Life expectancy nearly doubled. Literacy rates skyrocketed from below 10% to over 80% globally. Time in human history, ordinary people could expect their children to live better lives than they did. Coal made this possible by providing the abundant energy needed for massive economic growth. What started in Britain soon spread across the globe. The United States became an industrial powerhouse in the 19th century, with coal fueling its rise to become the world's largest economy. More recently, coal has powered the stunning economic growth of China and India. Since embracing coal-powered industrialization, China has lifted over 800 million people out of extreme poverty. India has grown from one of the world's poorest countries to becoming a major economic power. These transformations happened in decades, not centuries, thanks to the power and reliability of coal. Look around your home. The light switches, heating systems, appliances, PCs, tablets, phones, and countless products you use daily. All of these comforts trace their origins to coal-powered industrialization. Coal didn't just build factories. It created modern healthcare systems with reliable power for medical equipment, food preservation through refrigeration, clean water systems with reliable pumps, comfortable climate-controlled buildings, and mass production of consumer goods. Before coal, these conveniences were unimaginable luxuries. Today, we consider them basic necessities. Even today, coal generates more of the world's electricity than any other power source and remains essential for steel production. For developing nations, coal continues to be a crucial stepping stone to prosperity. Why? Because coal provides reliable baseload power regardless of weather conditions, affordable energy accessible to poorer nations, jobs and economic development in mining regions, energy independence for nations with local coal reserves, Modern coal technologies have also become increasingly efficient, getting more energy from each ton of coal than ever before. The story of coal is the story of human progress. This simple black rock unlocked human potential in ways our ancestors couldn't imagine. It lifted billions from poverty, extended our lifespans, and created the modern world we enjoy today. While our energy systems continue to evolve, we should recognize coal's unparalleled contribution to human civilization. No other natural resource has done more to improve human living standards in the history of our species. So the next time you flip a light switch, ride a train, or enjoy any modern convenience, remember, you're experiencing the legacy of coal, the rock that built our world. If you enjoyed this journey through coal's transformative power, hit subscribe for more explorations of the innovations that built our modern